Tanisha here with another unboxing video. I'm so excited, guys, to share with you a new subscription that I just started. And this is the Beauty and a Book box. So it's supposed to come with, I believe, beauty makeup products as well as a book. I thought this was the perfect thing for me because you guys know that I love both. So let's go ahead and get started. You already know to visit www.tanishakemp.com to find out what I'm blogging about, guys, to find out more information about what's in this box, how you too can get this box, guys. Don't forget, you can find that link in the pinned comment below as well as in the description area of this video, all right? And do not forget, guys, that you can also subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with another book lover, beauty lover, guys, and then just let them know that they can check this out and this might be something that they could be interested in. All right, they can join our family. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First, it arrived neatly wrapped in this packaging. It's so pretty and so festive, so I'm really excited to try this box out. So it says the name of the subscription right here, and then here it says Perfect Balance. All right, and there's nothing over there. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, and so then here you see hashtag Beauty in a Book box. So if you guys share this video, include that hashtag. Okay, so your December Beauty in a Book box. So I picked a Surprise Me novel. It has a planner in it, a stylus pen. So it's telling me everything right here that is in this book box. Okay, extra items included in all December boxes, $100 plus value. Okay, and this is a quarterly subscription box, so they will be posting the March information very soon. And I wanted to make sure that I got this video up in time. I hope that you guys can either still grab this box. If not, though, you will definitely have plenty of time to join in for the March subscription. So we have this nice cool sticker here. This is so cute. You already know this is going to go in my planner. Okay, we see the same wrapping here for the outside pack. Okay, guys, so this is an item that is exclusively by Beauty and a Book. And it looks like a big set of eyelash pillowcases. I'm going to try to... Okay, so it is eyelash pillowcases. So they're white pillowcases. They're really nice quality, though. And they have eyelashes on them. So I guess if you put them on your bed, it looks like, you know, the bed is sleeping. Okay, this is cool. I don't think this is something that I'm going to use in my house. My husband would not go for this. But I do have a couple of single friends. So this might be something. This would definitely be something that I gift to someone else. Okay. Okay, so then under that is some stuff. So by Babe Lash, and this is the Nectar Lash Serum. So it came completely perfectly wrapped. You guys also know that I'm looking to make sure everything is sealed. You can see that plastic wrap on there. So it is sealed perfectly, which you guys know that I am here for. So that is exciting. And I can't wait to try it. And then these are the two branded premium stylus pens. They're okay. So this says Beauty in a Book, and this pen says it as well, but this one has it completely written out. Beauty in a Book, Perfect Balance. There we go. Okay. So I like that it has two different views on it, the logo, and then it has it written out in script. I like their logo too. It is so adorable. So let's see. The next thing that we have here is a makeup bag. It says Sparkle Every Day, and this thing is huge. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love big makeup bags. I carry big purses right now. I'm gonna be carrying smaller purses over time, but right now I still carry huge purses. So I love that. Okay, here we have a Dr. Botanicals. Oh, there it is. Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. It's a full bottle. It comes right to where the label is, if you can see that. Right to the top of the label is kind of where it's filled up to. So it's a lightweight facial oil, and it's supposed to be organic and all that good stuff. This is also a vegan product. So, okay, cool. Okay, here's my book, When No One Is Watching. This is a thriller. Okay, now I like mysteries, but a lot of time people get mysteries and thrillers and they make them one and the same. They are not. I don't like to be scared, okay? I don't. I do like mysteries, but I kind of like to be figuring out who done it. I don't like nobody jumping out and getting, beat down and bludgeoned, that I'm reading about. I like to be somebody walking in and be like, oh my God, Shirley's dead. Let's find out who did it. That's the kind of books I like. So I don't know. We will see. Let's flip it over and kind of see. Okay, this is by a Black author. So that's cool. Alyssa Cole, award-winning author for historical, contemporary, and sci-fi romance. Okay. Sydney Green is Brooklyn born and raised, but her beloved neighbor seems to change every time she blinks. Okay. So we're going to be trying to figure out what's going on with Sydney and Theo. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see what happens when no one is watching. Alrighty, guys. And then next we have this Detox and Purify Eucalyptus Tea, Tree, and Lemon Essential Oils with 100% pure dead sea salt. Oh my God, what is this, bathtub stuff? Yes, soak away the day, dead sea bath salts. Oh my gosh. Like y'all, that eucalyptus slapped me in the face, honey, okay? That eucalyptus cleared out all of my sinuses. It might just be something you keep in your purse to smell, honey. So, it's strong, but I cannot wait to put it in my bathtub. And then I believe this is the last item. This is a 2021 planner. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay, Clementine paper ink, and this is recycled paper. So that is it, guys. I am so excited. This is my first time getting items from the Beauty in the Book subscription box. Tell me, guys, what did you think? What did you think about what they sent? Do you think that this will be worth the price? Do you think the subscription is worth it? Is it creative? Is this something that you'd be interested in trying? They included with quality, the packaging, gorgeous. I can tell that whoever put this box together took time to make sure everything was wrapped perfectly. And I am so excited to be able to see what they have for store in March and to be able to use the items that they gave me for the month of December. I hope that you guys can still get a chance to grab these December items. If not, that's okay. March options are up, and I believe it to share this perfect balance theme box with you. I know this video was a little bit longer than my usual unboxings. I'm sorry. I just wanted to take my time and let you guys know my true thoughts on this. Don't forget, guys, like this video, thumbs it up for me, please. And share, guys. Share this with another beauty and book lover. Also, go to www.tanishakemp.com. See what I'm talking about. Check the pinned comment for links on how you can grab this box. Or you can go to the description area for that link as well. Or scroll down for a direct link on how to get this box as well, guys. And then subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my blog, guys, so that you can be a part of this family. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.